What's going on, guys? Today I'll make this quick video discussing the web app I've been working on. It's a options journal logger type of web application that can, pretty much analyze the trades you've been doing and keep track of them. So it's not completely automated as far as you have to enter each of them manually. That is the next focus that I'm going to be, pushing on to pretty much get integrated with, these other brokers so you can almost streamline that process. So let's go ahead and jump into it here. I'll create a new account and run through the dashboard a little bit. It has changed a good bit since my previous video on it. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump through it here. Just going to create a test account and run through the process. So let's go see. So once you get signed in here, this will be your dashboard, your unrealized profit, realized profit, total profit, some different widgets here and different sets of data that could be useful. Let me know if there's any other things that come to mind that you guys might want to see for this view here. And then you also can filter it by year. Currently it's just 2020 and 21. I could even filter that down a little bit more, bi-weekly or even daily if that would be something. I just figured, just to start things off, yearly would be probably good. So that's the first page, the home page here. And then if you go to the next one, this is actually the list page. And let's go ahead and enter an option here. So obviously this is just test data. Don't go do this trade. I have no idea if this would be a good one or not. I'd have to analyze the stock. But let's just say we're buying or selling a weekly put credit spread on SPY. And we're going to get, $15 for this $1,000 risk. So 1.5% return. Let's say we're going to sell, I don't know, 5 of them. Okay, so once we enter it, you can see it's white here. And if you made a typo or something, you can click the edit button. Say you only got a $14 credit instead. So let's go and update that. So you can see it updated. But here I have this column. Whenever we open the trade, the ticker that it's on, the type of option trade it is, when this option is going to expire, the strikes, the number of contracts that you sold or opened, and then the open price. I thought that pretty much covered all of the data points that I would want to reference. I was thinking maybe there's another section I can add, maybe like a notes section, so you can pretty much, input some, free form data, kind of like your thoughts of what they were whenever you entered this trade, depending on, I entered this trade whenever SPY was, red on the day, or it was going up, what price you entered it at, and so on. And then, so that's pretty much it for this view. Let me know if you guys think if there's any other, columns I should possibly get rid of or add. I know the notes section, I think that would be pretty cool to have in there. And then the last column, this is just your P&L for the trade. So let's say we held it for a couple of days and then we wanted to get out of it at 50% or $7. Not much for this trade here, but nonetheless, profit is profit. Okay, so then our debit would be 7. So we would get a 50% gain there. I haven't implemented the brokerage fees for the contracts. I'm thinking I could probably just add it to the user profile. So that would be, added to each of their trades, so you don't have to manually enter it every time. But that's something that still needs implemented as well. And then you can see here our P&L was $35 or $7 per contract. So 7 times 35. Okay, then you go back to the dashboard. You can see we now have some realized profit, total profit. We have 1 trade entered and then 1 win. And we are 100% 1-0. Okay, coming back here. That's pretty much it for this page. I'll go and add another one just so you can see the difference between an open and a closed position. So you can see here, this is the white. So this is an open and then this is a closed position. Go back to the dashboard. Now you have some unrealized profit. And that's that. Okay, moving on to the other page. This is the leaderboard. Obviously, I hope this is some bad data. This is just another example that I always know that investing into the stock market, especially trading options, can be very risky, and that is why I hope to God this is not the case for this user here. That's why I always recommend to beginner traders to start with a paper trading account if you're not familiar. Like some of these, selling vertical spreads and selling some of these options are very, very advanced options, option strategies, in my opinion. Obviously buying naked calls and buying puts are simpler, but whenever you're buying two legs, they definitely can be a lot harder to understand and manage. So that's why I always recommend to all beginners out there, obviously, to not take all of the education and stuff that I provide on my YouTube um, for your only source of knowledge. Definitely take what I provide, and then take that and then go educate yourself even more. Seek financial advice from a professional financial advisor if you need additional help and have more questions. Definitely do that, because I am not a financial professional, and I would definitely advise, if you have advanced questions or even some of the basic questions, to seek their advice before you ever get into a situation like this. But all right, back to this. So this is just a leaderboard page. Obviously, whenever you get more users in here, there's a lot of test data right now, but it's currently just yearly. We could make it weekly or monthly. Let me know what you guys think for this page too. Okay, down to this page. This is just kind of like a tutorial page, like blog. I would like to, beef this up a little bit more, add some more content, some different categories and different types of, strategies that people can watch videos on, and, different different content here just to help them possibly see some real life examples and learn a little bit more about these trades before actually putting them on. And then the last page here is your profile page. Like I mentioned earlier, there's probably some more data that we can implement and add to this page, kind of like what broker you're with, so that can help us determine what your commission per option is going to be. TD Ameritrade at 65 cents, per contract, and then Robinhood is free. So, just having that data from the user could be helpful here as well. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for all the pages I have done so far. Feel free to go to the website, create an account, and then just input some data in here, just kind of get a feel for what it might be like, and feel free to let me know any recommendations, any things that you guys think I should change. I'm definitely open to hearing your guys' feedback. You guys definitely have a lot of experience, if you're following my channel, with this type of trading. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to let me know if you guys find any bugs or anything like that as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching.